Oh my god! Holy crap. Yeah, I'm getting it right now.
This is a test. This station is conducting a required weekly or required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Esta es una prueba. Esta estación está transmitiendo la prueba semanal a nuestra referida por el sistema de alarma de emergencia. Esta es solamente una prueba.
Holy crap! Dude! That was my first AM radio monthly test. From another state. As well. Holy crap, that's awesome. Alright, there you guys go. Wow.
Great baseball play.
Holy crap. They actually did it. Come on. Really?
And I think that made him a better
Alert system. Required monthly test of the emergency.
Please agree.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Georgia beginning at 1:47 a.m. and ending at 2:47 a.m.
Oh my
From the
god.
Georgia Emergency Management Agency and the Georgia Office of Homeland Security, this is the required monthly test of the emergency alert system.
Holy crap. Dude.
Pending hazard.
I didn't have the SD card in.
The signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted
Now it's
between
15
11
minutes.
a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
What the heck?
If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day.
Sorry about that, guys.
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KXI-81, broadcasting near Clayton, Georgia, on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in northeast Georgia: Banks, Habersham, Hall, Raven, Townsend, White. In North Carolina, Macon. And in South Carolina, Oconee. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards to an alert test.
Alright guys, so I actually already got the weekly test, but I'm going to redo the intro because I ran out of time. I'm going to keep this really short because I know it's still part of the compilation. So, right here, WR100, which is off because still it doesn't work. 1650, this is the first time 1650 has ever been here. EAR10, 12247, HH, 12250, scanner, 521, 74200. First time in 74200 has ever been by my bed. And I also did use the scanner. And the Baofeng on channel 1, which KEC80 tested before WX86. But anyways. Oh, also I moved my WR120. Was on the wall, now it's over here. So, yeah. I will join you guys back when the test goes off.
Lows around 70. Tuesday and Tuesday night.
What? Dang it! Where did it get that siren?
This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning.
They tested first this time.
Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
B.
This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area:
That is loud.
Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
Been using to remind them to go. Yes. Sure.
What the heck? Good God, that sounds horrible. I'm trying to get WBCX, but I don't think they do that. Alright, I guess I don't do weekly tests anymore. Alright. Sorry I cut off the headers early. Which one did I... yeah. It was the recon that usually stays on, but obviously I cut it off right. Alright, thank you guys very much for watching this compilation. I've never done a compilation of test EAS alerts before, so this is something new. But I thought since I just got so many, I ought to just upload it in compilation, obviously, but yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you all eventually.